This is Frog Valley Tropical Fruit Farm, and I want to do a video on nutrient deficiencies in plants, how it causes pests and disease, and how it's not from a nutrient deficiency in your soil. It's caused by biology deficiency. Since microbiomes of plants are never studied, they have never looked at the endophytic microbiome found in a plant's cell walls, a healthy plant cell walls. And it turns out there's quite a bit of life in there. And the life that's in there is the fungi and the bacteria. There's some other stuff, I guess, but mostly the fungi and bacteria. And it's the fungi and bacteria that provide the nutrients, all the nutrients, the macro, the micro, or can provide all of them if you let it. And the way you let it is by practicing soil health, because a healthy microbiome in your plant, the endophytic fungi and bacteria that provide the metabolites and the enzymes and everything needed, the hormones, they provide it all. It's a mutualistic relationship that was developed from the ground up. And if you're looking to manage balanced soil with nutrients like NPKs or all your micronutrients that you apply, you're going to put your system out of balance, especially if you're using, like they do in the citrus industry, the synthetic fertilizers and glyphosate, and no plant life around the root zone of the citrus. That is a biological deficient system, and it is a biology destroying system. And when your citrus isn't unable to develop relationships with the soil biology that should be growing inside of its system, they will be unable to change the biological chemistry inside the plant that could kill the pest or disease that's attacking the plant. Only in biology does that happen. Our whole agriculture system has been developed around nutrients and the plant. And that's all they looked at. That's all they still look at, I believe. I'm sure some people are looking at the other stuff now. But it turns out that this microbiome that grows inside healthy plants, biologically grown plants, it provides all the nutrients. And your disease is not caused by a nutrient deficiency. It's caused by your biological, your non-biological system that you've created for your food crops. All we have to do is practice soil health here in Florida, and you don't even have to do anything else. Nature does the rest for us. I mean, it's really that freaking simple here. And these plants that are they have non-stop pests and disease because of the lack of biology growing within the plant. So when you do an NPK or a hollytone, your plant just sucks up the nutrients and doesn't form the entire fungal relationships with the biology in the soil. The only way to get all the nutrients in your plants is through biology. There's no other way. And I hope we soon discover this in Florida, because it's like kind of being destroyed and real fast here. It's people don't talk about the biology, and they think that the biology is bad here in Florida. It's bizarre, totally bizarre. It's because they're not eating biological foods, that's why. They've lost the communication with their ecosystem, communication abilities to understand what is right and what is wrong for the health of the plant and for the health of themselves. Anyway, this is Frog Valley Tropical Fruit Farm, and this is Biological Natural Farming, Florida. Have a good day.